Hello, Jefferson staff, and welcome to the 2021 school year. I'm your proud principal, Denisha Keeler, and I am here to ensure you of all the safety and protocols that we have put into place to ensure your safety and the safety of all of your colleagues. So I'm going to walk you through today a little of what we've done. First off, you must wear a mask anytime that you're on campus, and it's got to be properly placed, covering your nose and covering your mouth. We also have posters throughout our campus, both in English and Spanish, to remind you of social distancing protocols. Follow me, and I'll show you what we've done in the office. First off, we have an enter and exit side only. So please make sure that you come through the enter only side. As you walk through, you'll notice that we have multiple markers on the floor that are 6 feet apart to guarantee that we are all being safe. Once you stop here, you'll see that we have a temperature check station that you will have to make sure that you take your temperature every single time that you come into the office, making sure that you have a temperature that is lower than 100.1. If it isn't, then you'll have to go home for the day. If you follow me, you will then proceed to sign in. Every day, you will have to sign in and sign out. Using our clean pins to sign in with the time that you came in, then taking your pin after you use it to sign in and putting it on the dirty side. We will then sanitize those as well. If you don't have a mask, we have masks here provided for you, as well as gloves if you'd like to use those. So come on back and let me show you what we've done in the staff room. As you see, as we proceed down the hall, it is a one-way in down through our staff hallway into 3 different parts that you can go into. If you stop here and you need to go out this door, following all of the arrows, out the exit door. That staff room door is no longer an enter and exit, it is an exit only. All right, and as you can see, if you continue down the arrows, one-way paths only, going with the flow of traffic. If I need to get copies from the copy room, I'm going to stop and go to the left. Now, in the past, you've been able to go to the right and make your copies really quick. No more. One-way traffic. You have to go all the way around, as you can see the blue arrows that are marked, all the way around the cabinets in order to retrieve your copies or to make your copies. Once you're done here, you will proceed out following the blue arrows that are socially distanced. You can stop here, go to the left, pick up your items from your boxes, and then head out this door into the quad. Again, this is now an exit only, so please make sure that you follow the sign of it being an exit only. Once you come out into the quad, you will notice that we have a lot of arrows that are placed on our ground right now, and that is to ensure social distancing and one-way traffic. So if I was in kindergarten, I would proceed down these arrows right here. Since I am going to go across the quad, I'm going to get onto what we call this track right here, and I'm going to follow the arrows. Again, one-way traffic, not allowing to go back and forth. At this point, if I was to go back to the office, I could then go to the right and go back into the office. If I was proceeding to my classroom, I could then go straight. Now, a reminder, if you have a class that is over here to the left, you still have to follow this track and make your way around the grass. Again, we are only allowing one-way flow of traffic. Now I'm going to stop here and let you know that if I needed to refill my water bottle, either as a student or a staff member, we have our water bottle and fountain stations over here. But let me tell you that we have a little bit of some items that are going to change with that. So follow me down this track to the right. You'll notice that I have my arrows down, following the flow of traffic. At this point, I can either go to the left or I can go to the right. This case, we're going to the right, and I'm going to show you the drinking fountain. So if we stop here, you'll see that our newly installed drinking fountains and bottling stations are here. What you will notice in a couple of weeks is that our drinking fountains will be covered. Bottling stations will still be available for staff and students, but the fountains themselves here will be covered. All right, so it's the end of the day and it's time to go home. So again, I'm gonna follow my arrows, one-way traffic, and I'm gonna head up to the office because you have to be able to sign out each and every single day. And the reason why is because we wanna make sure that we know where you have been and where others have been so we can clean those specific areas. So as I follow all the arrows up to the office, again, you'll see one-way traffic. Seems like a longer way, but it's the safe way. As we continue up towards the front office and the cafeteria area, you will again notice that we have enter-only and exit-only sides of our doorway. All right, as we enter for the last part of our day, again, we are gonna go in through the enter-only. And once again, we are gonna follow the blue arrows. There's no cutting across to the office. We'll have to go along the tile. If I was to go to the cafeteria, I'd go to the left, but I'm going to the office to check out for the day. So again, I'm gonna follow the black tile into the front office door, making sure that there is no one waiting here because we don't want to have that cross of paths with someone else. There's no one here. As we enter in, you also see all of our safety barriers that are put up for all of our secretaries and office staff, as well as to protect yourself. We come back to the binder, get another clean pen, sign out for the day, and put my clean pen back into the dirty side. And then I'm gonna turn around and go out the exit door. Remember, we're sticking to one-way flow of traffic. Well, that's some of the procedures and protocols that we've put here into place at Jefferson to help you be safe and have the rest of us feel safe as well. I look forward to seeing everybody when you come onto campus. If you choose not to, that's great as well. We look forward to an amazing 2021 year. And don't forget your mask.